raw milk. look, there's a stream.
Nah, still not at you, bro.
How far? Okay, cool. There's a whole creek here, bro. And I think this is a waterfall. Bro, look at this pool. Look, there's pools, bro. Full pools. Holy shit, man. Waterfall. Oh, I'm about to get blown off, bro. I think this, I don't know, there's a rock there. That's not even a rock. I don't know. Bro, it's so fucking
Holy
scary.
Oh my god! Holy shit! That is a straight.
I want to stay away from that, bro.
Just go like this.
Yeah. Like the ancestors. Back when our ancestors didn't have any hands.
Yeah.
Before they invented hands. Oh my gosh, bro. This is insane.
Yeah.
This is a peak spot.
How can we go here?
Soft ground. Holy shit, man. Look at this fucking wall.
Let's fucking go.
This is like limestone, I think.
Yeah.
Or slate. I think it's slate.
Yeah. Bro, make sure no one's fishing. What they said.
Alright.
Park at Guatemala and take the truck to Caracaray.
Yeah.
Walk out to the point and you'll need to find a small cliff with a stainless steel rod sticking out of it. You need to climb over a small fallen boulder and then over and then under a huge one. From here it gets a bit difficult to describe the path, but
Found our fishing spot. It's like hella dangerous, but like that's fine. Took a while to get here. Just gonna go back for sunset now. There's a sea cave there. It's so sick. And someone wrote "fuck off China" there. And like there's a few people that died over there. Hopefully we don't die, but I think it'll be fine. I think it's probably Asians who are pretty stupid. Yeah, that's really deep there. There's no way we can get back. Yo! What the fuck, bro?
thanks.
Yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna fish up here, I reckon. We'll go early tomorrow morning, right at sunrise. We're on one of these cliffs here, probably around the head. We're on one of these cliffs here, around the head probably. And we'll wake up to sunrise and everything, we'll go back. Sun is setting soon. Getting sticks, firewood. It's so slow.
You know what kind of snake it is?
No idea. Interesting. Nice ass sunset now. We're going to get water, nigga, from the stream.
Yeah.
No, I think that's fine.
Okay.
Bro, Alex, we can cook our fish now, right? Not. Are you gonna have some brain?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Bro, Alex's first time trying brain. What do you think, bro?
Good.
Yeah. Just beat liver.
No, further liver.
Okay. He changed his mind. He said it was better than
Way
liver.
better than liver. So good.
The sun is coming up, but the cloud seeding is blocking it a little bit, which sucks. It's about 5 a.m. We're about to go down fish. Check out the waves. They've been banging all night. Sun's coming up. Got swept by a huge wave. As you can see, he's soaked. I'm not as soaked, but I'm a bit soaked. And we decided to not go for live bait because the tide's too high. We can't get down far enough. So we're just gonna go for snapper now. And then maybe go for live bait a bit later when it's lower. We just got swept again. But luckily we had this pocket we could sit in, but it's too dangerous right now. It looks good.
Yeah. Good color, you know.
Yeah.
This knife is so sharp.
Yeah, I can see it. It looks good. Bro, did you see my YouTube video on it?
Yeah, I saw that was funny, bro.
Yeah.
You know he's called it Indian?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
That's probably what makes him more compliant. He's actually sharp enough. I've seen it, bro.
Yeah, wow.
Barely cut it. Fat.
That looks really good.
Yeah. You can probably just eat it off the rock, don't you reckon? You just put the steak tartare on the rock here.
It's sandstone. It's
Yeah,
just
it's not bad for you.
it's gritty, bro. It's disgusting.
Nah, bro, you won't even taste it. Honestly.
I feel it. You can put it in here.
Oh, true.
I'll take a stick, bro. Nice. Alright. Going out for our third fish of the day. We went rock fishing this morning, was too dangerous. We went beach fishing midday, didn't catch anything. And now we're going rock fishing, same spot but low tide. We're gonna get
something.
yeah, we're gonna get bait and then we're gonna live bait it and then we're gonna get something. Not much. Maybe I put the wrong spot or something.
Nah, there'll be blood there.
Yeah. No blood.
Yeah.
You want some?
That's right.
Got fire going. We got steak with maggots. Nature's biltong. And we've got a fish somewhere that we're gonna eat. Around 5:30, I think.